In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block people on Substack. Whether you're dealing with unwanted interaction or simply want to tailor your Substack experience, knowing how to block individuals can be quite helpful. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to substack.com and sign into your account. If you're not already signed in, simply click on the sign in button and enter your details. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your specific Substack account. Once you've logged in, the next step is to navigate to the profile of the user you wish to block or find a note they've created. This is an essential step since the options to block someone are generally found on their profiles or their content. If you know the person's username, you can use the search bar to type it in, which will lead you directly to their profile. Alternatively, if you've encountered a note or comment they've posted, you can click on that to access more details about the user. Now that you're on the user's profile or viewing a note they've written, you'll want to look for the three dots. These dots are typically found on the user's profile page, or if you're looking at a note or comment, right next to it. It's a common design feature on many platforms, providing additional options without cluttering the interface. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu that holds several options related to interactions with the user. From the drop-down menu, you'll find the option to block. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, you might be asked to confirm your decision, just to make sure you don't accidentally block someone you didn't intend to. Blocking someone will generally prevent them from interacting with your content or reaching out to you through the platform. It's important to remember that blocking is a step towards maintaining a healthy online presence and should be used when it's necessary for your comfort and peace of mind. To recap, blocking someone on Substack involves a few straightforward steps: logging into your account, navigating to the person's profile, opening the menu with the three dots, and selecting block. Each step is designed to ensure you have control over who can interact with you and how. With these instructions, you should have no trouble taking control of your Substack experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for support. Enjoy creating and sharing on Substack with the peace of mind that you're in control of your interactions.